One. Then, check for the responsiveness of the patient. Hey, 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 are you okay? Assalamualaikum. Sadikan. Tapos wala pala yung response. So, no response, call for help. Activate emergency response and bring someone, an AED. Okay, next, check for the pulse. And the rise and fall of the chest, not less than 5 seconds, but not more than 10 seconds.
Hugas ka ba? Nasa bulo.
Diyan na lang mag-iwan.
Bakit anong ilang mo
Okay, after no pulse, no breathing, proceed for CPR. Okay, the ratio is 30:2. The recommendation is 100 to 120 beats per minute. Okay, and then for 2 minutes, you need to exchange. There's someone will come. Okay, after 2 minutes, reassess the patient. But in the, what do you call this one? When you are giving questions, you don't have to answer. Like, for example, in here, you put scene is safety. It's okay, no problem. Responsiveness, you need to put check for responsiveness. Okay. Number 3, you don't have to put emergency service. You need to put call for help or activate emergency. Okay. And then the 4th one, check for the pulse. And then last is compression. Yeah, the AED, you can put at the last. You just have to, after the compression, you put, what do you call this one? Use AED. AED means automated, external, kahit yan nilalagay. Pero okay na ilalagay niyo ng do CPR, 30:2.
Pwede din sir yung use AED ASAP.
Hindi, kailangan mag-compress ka muna. Kailangan mo pressure muna. Kasi, do CPR agad.
Pag walang
Okay. Kasi baka mamaya, wala yung shadow pulse, nag-CPR kayo agad. Okay, kailangan sunod siya. Kasi pag sinabi nyo, but when you are always only telling them, okay, I'm going to activate the emergency service. Okay, you should put detail. Okay, even small detail only. Just to everyone understand.
May 10 na tayo.
Okay, may 5 na kayo. Plus na yung isa.
13, di ba? Walang nagtatalo.
May tanong kayo dito?
May tanong kami.
May tanong kayo dito.
Tanong namin.
Oh my God. Ako, wala. Problema ko lang.